Martha, I must say, you look beautiful with those new earrings on.
Aw, thanks, Mark.
And I even made sure to get your favorite color, purple.
I love anything you give me, but purple's not my favorite color.
What are you talking about? Of course it is.
Are you telling me after all these years you don't know my favorite color, Mark?
Martha, are you kidding me? Of course I know your favorite color. It's,
Yeah?
It's,
Uh-huh.
It's, orange? And that's when she tells me her favorite color is green. Green? Can you believe that? All this time I've been thinking it's purple.
I don't know if I could pick one favorite color, but if I had to pick a top 5, purple would definitely be up there.
You know, speaking of purple, when it comes to food, purple food is some of the best food.
Purple food?
Oh, yeah. You know how there's pink food and green food and yellow food and blue food and brown food? Well, purple food is not just delicious. It's great for the brain and the blood and it pretty much the whole system.
Excuse me, Dr. Glark. I'm getting a call.
Oh, no worries.
Hello?
Hey, Elise.
Hey, Kaden, what's up?
Well, I'm studying for a big test. Things are starting to get a little fuzzy.
Fuzzy?
Yep, fuzzy in my brain.
Tell him if he's starting to feel fuzzy, he needs to eat some of them purple foods we were just talking about.
And did I just hear someone say y'all need to eat some purple food y'all were just talking about? It's a cooking show, it's a cooking show. Oh, wow, would you look at all this incredible purple stuff? We got grapes and berries and potatoes and so much stuff. It's so delicious.
Delicious and nutritious.
Katie's art class. Okay, in today's lesson, I'm your muse. So I want you to imagine a desert rain with warm sand and pink clouds. But be sure to make it your own.
I want to be the muse next time.
Just in case you were wondering, a muse is someone or something that inspires you and helps you create art and stuff.
Don't forget to really play with colors.
Your sprinkles could be rain sprinkles. But what color rain sprinkles should I do?
What about red rain sprinkles?
Blue rain sprinkles.
Red rain sprinkles.
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 Blue rain sprinkles.
Stop! There are no rules in art. It doesn't matter what color it is as long as it's beautiful, like me.
What about purple rain sprinkles?
Ooh, I like purple.
I'm cool with that.
So today, we're going to make one of my favoriteest pick-me-up snacks that's ever been invented. It's something I like to call a very merry dairy and berry bowl. Now, you two already got your bowls of yogurt, so now it's time to get to the fun part. Y'all ready?
Yeah!
All right. First, let's add some of these delectable fruit selections. We got the blackberries, we got the blueberries, we got the purple grapes. Oh, my goodness. And now, how about tossing some of those nutritious chia seeds in the mix? Oh, yeah. And now for some honey to sweeten it up. And for a final crunchy touch, let's add some of my favoriteest nut in the whole wide world. Walnuts.
Oh, Gus, walnuts might just be the best brain nut on the planet.
Well, duh. I just said it's my favoriteest nut. I mean, I'm pretty smart, you know.